Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete spreadsheets in Google Sheets. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer program that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Spreadsheets are one of the most popular tools available with personal computers. A spreadsheet is generally designed to hold numerical data and short text strings. Uses of spreadsheets. You can use the spreadsheets to create and maintain checklists. It allows users to perform simple calculations. It helps users with data visualization, storing and sharing data. How to delete a spreadsheet in Google Sheet in desktop. Launch any browser on your computer. Visit the official site of Google Sheets. Click on the Sign In option available on the top right side of the window. Then it takes you to the login page. Enter your credentials and log in to your account. It shows you all the spreadsheets available in Google Sheets. Click on the three dots icon. Then an options list will open. Choose the Remove option from that list. Then it asks for confirmation. Click on Move to Trash to confirm your deletion. That's it, the spreadsheet has been deleted from Google Sheets. How to delete spreadsheet in Google Sheets using mobile application. Launch Play Store on your device. Search for Google Sheets. Tap on the Install option. After the completion of installation, tap on Open. Then it shows all the available spreadsheets in your Google account. Tap on the three dots option. An options list will open. Scroll to the bottom of the options list and choose the Remove option by tapping on it. A confirmation window will pop up. Tap on Move to Trash to confirm your deletion. That's it, the spreadsheet has been deleted from Google Sheets. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.